Burb Files, whatever Wednesday, East Coast meets Midwest Coast. We're gonna do a first fire on Angry Allen's 4-point grate and the S-dime. Keep in mind that we still have some wiring that we gotta do. So right now we're manually hooking up the fuel pump to the battery. We gotta have one guy in the fuel pump, one guy in the key, one guy in the carburetor, and what would we say? No exhaust? Open exhaust?
Minimal exhaust.
Minimal exhaust. So, yeah. Here we go. Fuel pump on.
I'd say that was successful.
Could get idle for a while? Or?
I can't hear a fucking thing. Huh? Exactly. Well, as they say in Ghostbusters.
Successful test. I guess so.
So we're still at the East Coast meets Midwest chapter. And we got Shanny's Burb. Sorry, I'm still getting the hang of this gimbal here. This is Charles Brown. He has the correct bumper sticker that says Team Tailgate. Notice it is a tailgate. He also has the same thing I do, which is the roller. I'm sorry, I still can't hear a damn thing. The roller guide for the window. He also has a rear seal that needs to get replaced. But that's Charles Brown. Just changed out those deuces for some nice new meats. 16-inch with the OE steel wheels and hubcaps. Let's take a look inside. Ooh, nice. Got the nice tan interior. Look at that, looks good. Rear AC. It's got the rear third row bench. You can also see he's got some subwoofer boxes back there with all the accoutrements. It's got the nice interior. This is also a 90 or a 91. I think it's a 90. It's a 454 big block car. It's 2500. AC works, frees you out. It's a turbo 400 transmission, so it's only a 3-speed, but it is a 2500. Super clean. Yeah, buddy. Also, you'll notice, oops, sorry. He's also got the door latch kit on there. So let's see how his doors close. I'm not even gonna do this crazy. I'm just gonna kind of give this a little bit of a, just a little close. Super, super smooth. But yeah, this is Charles Brown. Front door. Let's see how well this one closes. Super smooth. Super smooth. Very cool. Very cool. We might be jumping in the Burb to go bird dog whiskey tasting here in a minute. So more to come. What's up, guys? We're still here in Missouri and kicking it with the S10 theme. We got Shanny, LS swapped GMC S15. We're gonna get some smoky burnouts. Stick around, kids. Don't touch that dial. We'll be right back. Doesn't sound healthy at all. Said no one ever.
That's that 3/4 race cam. Let's put that 4-barrel in that 3/4 race cam. So we're back. We're gonna see if our old truck, 4-speed with a 350 motor, 4-speed with 1/4 race cam.
with 1/4 race cam and knobby studded snow tires. Let's see if it'll even do it. Otherwise known as no cam. It's probably got 7-to-1 compression, maybe 6.8. You know,
I'd say that's a fair guess.
Low compression. You know, it'll run on diesel fuel, gasoline. Thoughts of your ex-wife. Let's see if we can get one going. Not bad burnout for distance.
Studs just make a horrible sound.
Yes, they do. It sounds like there's gravel stuck to it already. The beauty part about these burnouts is that you can see where the stud is starting to spin nice and fast and pulling into the asphalt.